Hi guys, today what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and see if we can convert all the text in the Notes app to lowercase, ignoring all the uppercase and making everything lowercase. For example, this note here would have AutoTouch is fun, would all be lowercase. Let's manipulate some text and everything after would also be lowercase. Let's see how you get that accomplished. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up the Shortcuts app. Go on apps, notes. Let's go ahead and click the find notes. We want to add a filter. I know the title of my note is AutoTouch is fun. If we play this, it should get you back one note, which is the one we have here. We're just going to have it get one note. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to have all the text that's in this copied to the clipboard. So here I'm just going to start typing clip. And you see copy to clipboard is one of the options. And here it'll copy the notes to the clipboard. What we want to do from here is go to AutoTouch because we're going to manipulate the text that's in the clipboard in AutoTouch. If you watch my previous video, it kind of shows you how to do that. So if you need a little bit of help doing that, just refer to my previous video. But what we would do is we would use Activator. So if you remember what we did last time is we built an event, created a dummy left Wi-Fi event. We can just name this a lowercase note. I'm going to go ahead and copy this. So we're going to name that everywhere the same. Let's go back to the Shortcuts app. You guys remember last time we did search for SSH. We're going to run a script over SSH. And we typed localhost. The port that we did is 2222. User should be root. Password's going to be whatever you set your password to be. So if you remember from last time, we did activator, activate, lib, activator, network, that left Wi-Fi, and here we're just going to paste what we grabbed from Activator. It always puts an extra space there, so get rid of it. And then you do lowercase note. From here, go to AutoTouch. So here on AutoTouch, what you're going to want to do is click on the plus sign. You're going to create a new script. First thing that we want to do is get the text from the clipboard. So we're going to do local clip equals clip text. So this is the function that AutoTouch uses to grab text from the clipboard. We're going to go ahead and see if we can turn the text on the clipboard all lowercase. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to use the lower function in the programming language Lua. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, you get clip, which is your variable here, and you change it to a lowercase by using the lower function. So if this all looks good, then let's go ahead and put it on our clipboard again. So we're going to do copy text, lower text. So this function will put the text on your clipboard, ideally, hopefully, the lowercase text. And from here, we're going to head and hit app activate, and we're going to go ahead and activate the Shortcuts app. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and tie this together with the Shortcuts app the way that we did that last time. Let's first save the file. We're going to call this lowercase, or we're going to paste the name, and we're going to name it .lua. So somebody in the comments asked me about the extension. Yeah, you got to make sure you do put the .lua in there, or else it'll turn it into a .js, which is the JavaScript programming language. So you definitely want it to be in Lua. So now that you've saved it, here's the file. So we want to go ahead and connect it to the Activator action that we did before. Find the left Wi-Fi event. And here's the left lowercase note event. Go back to plain settings. I always do this option here. And we're going to click the done button. So now we've connected Shortcuts to Activator to AutoTouch. AutoTouch knows to go back to Shortcuts. So from here, what we have to do is we have to get, after it runs this left Wi-Fi event, we want to send it to AutoTouch. We're going to go to run app, or open app actually is what it's called. And from here, we're going to choose AutoTouch. We're going to add a wait to return event. So far, what it should do is it should find the note, it should copy all its contents to the clipboard, it should manipulate it, should go to AutoTouch, and it should wait for the return. Let's see if it does it. So as you can see, we need to add a wait to AutoTouch because it's doing it too fast. So let's go back to AutoTouch. Let's go here, and let's just add a sleep. Use sleep. And then this should be 1 million, which is what 1 second equates to being. This should hopefully allow it to be so that it's not running too fast. All right, so let's go ahead and try this out and see what happens. All right, so it ran everything. So I did the wait to return, and it looks like it did the wait to return. So now what we got to do is we got to go to that note. We need to find that note again. So we're going to say find note, and we're going to add that filter again. Body contains auto touch is fun. And from here, we want us to show us the note. All right, let's run this and see what happens. And from here, if we went and did Control A and then Control V, you'll now notice everything is lowercase. Now, there are some things you could do to make this script a little bit better. One of the things would be maybe to have it so that it's not all bold. You could also try a few tricks where you could delete it and then make a new file. All things you could do to improve this, but this is a really fun way of being able to manipulate text. I encourage you to check out all of the functions that Lua has to manipulate text. But yeah, try to play around with this. It's very fun. You can do this with a lot more apps. I'll do a few more videos with other apps other than the Notes app that you can use to do a few cool things. Thank you guys all for subscribing. Please continue to like my videos. I'll continue to make more content like this, and I'll make them more frequent. Thank you guys for watching.